Have you ever been denied credit for something you desperately needed? Maybe it was a dream apartment, a new car to replace your clunker, or even that perfect summer vacation. Let's face it, in today's world, a good credit score can feel like the key to unlocking opportunity. But what factors go into that score, and who keeps track of it all? Well, that's where credit bureaus like Transunion come in. Today, we're diving deep into what Transunion does, how they can help you, and some things to keep in mind, all to empower you to take control of your financial future. So, let's break it down. Transunion considers itself a risk and information solutions provider. That basically means they collect and analyze a massive amount of data about you, the consumer. This data, with your permission of course, helps lenders and other businesses make informed decisions. Now, you might be wondering what kind of data we're talking about. Here's a quick rundown. The basics: your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Your credit history: this is the big one. It includes things like your payment history on loans and credit cards, how much credit you're using, and any bankruptcies or debt collections. Public records: this could include things like court judgments or tax liens. Transunion uses all this information to create a credit report, a detailed snapshot of your financial health. This report, along with a credit score, which is a number summarizing your creditworthiness, is what lenders use to decide whether to approve you for credit and what interest rate to charge. But wait, there's more. Transunion offers a whole suite of services beyond just credit reports. Here are some of the key ones. Free annual credit report. Yes, you read that right. By law, you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Transunion, Experian, and Equifax, every year. You can request yours at annualcreditreport.com. This is a must-do. Checking your credit report regularly helps you identify any errors that could be dragging down your score. Credit monitoring. For a fee, Transunion offers services that will monitor your credit report for changes and alert you if anything suspicious pops up. This can be a great way to catch identity theft early. Credit education. Feeling lost in the world of credit scores? Transunion offers a wealth of educational resources to help you understand how credit works, how to build good credit habits, and how to improve your score. Credit repair. If you have errors on your credit report, Transunion can help you dispute them with the credit bureaus. Now, it's important to remember that Transunion is a business, and their primary focus is providing information to lenders and other businesses. While they do offer some consumer-focused services, it's ultimately up to you to take charge of your credit health. Here are some key takeaways. Get your free credit report. Do it annually and check for any errors. Understand how credit scores work. Educate yourself and make informed decisions about credit. Practice good credit habits. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on more debt than you can handle. By taking control of your credit, you can unlock a world of financial opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your credit score, Transunion can be a valuable resource. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.